Embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle. A journey to wellness. The Mediterranean diet consistently ranks among the healthiest in the world. It's no surprise. This way of eating is linked to a longer life and a lower risk of chronic diseases. But it's much more than just a diet. The Mediterranean lifestyle is a holistic approach to well-being. It celebrates fresh, flavorful food, regular physical activity, and a strong sense of community. My travels have taken me to the Mediterranean many times. I'm always inspired by the vibrant energy and zest for life. People there embrace simple pleasures. They enjoy delicious meals with loved ones. They stay active by walking and gardening, and they appreciate the bounty of fresh, locally sourced ingredients. This holistic approach to living is what makes the Mediterranean lifestyle so powerful. It's not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about savoring the good things in life and making healthy choices that nourish your body and soul. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this time-tested way of life. Discover how you can incorporate its principles into your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. This is a journey that celebrates flavor, embraces balance, and prioritizes well-being. Let's explore the delicious details of the Mediterranean lifestyle together. A different pace of life, meal timing, and portions in the Mediterranean. In the Mediterranean, mealtime is sacred. It's a time to slow down, connect with loved ones, and savor the flavors of fresh, homemade food. This mindful approach extends to the timing and size of meals, which often differ from typical American eating habits. Lunch is the star of the day. It's a leisurely affair, often enjoyed with family and friends. Dinner is a lighter meal, savored in the evening. This pattern challenges the idea of a large breakfast for metabolic health. Many cultures in the Mediterranean region prioritize a lighter start to the day. They focus on enjoying the largest meal when the sun is highest. While more research is needed on the specific benefits of this meal timing, it highlights the importance of listening to your body's natural rhythms. Portion sizes also tend to be smaller in the Mediterranean. The focus is on quality over quantity. People savor each bite of their carefully prepared meals. This mindful approach to eating can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. It encourages you to appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. By adopting a more mindful approach to meal timing and portion sizes, we can learn from the Mediterranean lifestyle. We can create a healthier and more enjoyable relationship with food. Dispelling dietary myths, meat, dairy, and the Mediterranean way. The Mediterranean diet is often praised for its emphasis on plant-based foods. However, it's not about eliminating entire food groups. This way of eating embraces a balanced approach. It includes moderate amounts of meat and dairy, chosen carefully for their nutritional value. Contrary to popular belief, red meat isn't off the menu. It's consumed in moderation, often as a flavor enhancer in stews and sauces. The emphasis is on lean protein sources, such as fish, poultry, beans, lentils, and eggs. These provide essential nutrients without excessive saturated fat. Full-fat dairy also has a place in the Mediterranean diet. Yogurt, cheese, and even small amounts of butter are enjoyed regularly. This may come as a surprise to those accustomed to low-fat options. However, full-fat dairy, when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, can provide important nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. The key takeaway is that the Mediterranean diet is not about restriction. It's about making mindful choices and enjoying a variety of foods in moderation. This balanced approach to food choices contributes to the long-term health benefits associated with this way of eating. Section 4, Fats, Starches, and the Art of Balance, a Mediterranean Perspective. The Mediterranean approach to fats and starches often challenges conventional dietary wisdom. It emphasizes the importance of choosing quality sources and enjoying them in moderation. Olive oil reigns supreme in the Mediterranean. It's a cornerstone of the diet and a source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. But the Mediterranean diet doesn't shy away from other healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish are all embraced for their nutritional value. Even small amounts of butter are incorporated into the diet, showcasing the emphasis on balance and enjoyment. Starches are also approached with a balanced perspective. While pasta, bread, and rice are enjoyed, portion sizes are typically smaller than what many are accustomed to. The focus is on whole grains whenever possible, providing more fiber and nutrients. This balanced approach to fats and starches reflects the Mediterranean philosophy of moderation and enjoyment. It's about savoring delicious food while nourishing your body with essential nutrients.